Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. First of all, you have just to open your web browser and dive into System.io. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various things and various information, but before, let's know what is System.io and how it works. So welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what really matters. Growing your business, join our community, and start turning your vision into reality today. So first we have here System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing. And then we have here who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. So manage every single aspect of your business without the hassle. The first one, course creators, make money teaching people what you know, host your online training, receive payments from your students, and sell your courses using sales funnels or emails. And then we have freelancers here, create a powerful website to sell your services, showcase your work, and get more leads. Then we have consultants, run evergreen webinars, communicate with your clients, and grow your audience. Then we have small business owners, bring your business to life with our marketing and e-commerce tools, sell anything to anyone with our point of sale features. Then if you want to become an affiliate, all you have to do is click over here, become an affiliate, and then you get started. So we found this page. We have here over than $5 million commissions paid to our affiliates. So we have here earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. We have then strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to our referrals. Then we have open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Then we have anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. So you have just to enter your email address and you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions. So right now, let's know how you can get started as an affiliate. So learn everything about being a successful System.io affiliate. The first step, read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. The second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Check out our branding page to find all the assets you'll need to create content about System.io. Then we have the fourth step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find lots of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then we have here the definition of System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business, build sales funnels, and send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build websites, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. The first one, we have System.io free plan, and we have earned 16% lifetime requiring commissions. So if you want to become an affiliate, all I have to do is just sign up and you will find this page. First of all, to make money, draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise. Subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate acquiring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your websites or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So to create a product, all you have to do is click over products here, and you click over physical products, then you click over create. So you write your name here and your description here. You have just to describe your product. For example, you can just go to ChatGPT and you click over description of something that you want, then you paste it here. Then we have here SKU, product tags, currency, price, then we have weight here, inventory also, then we have shipping. About media, you can just download the photo on canva.com, for example, and upload it here. About options also, you can just write your options name, option values, and you can add another option also. Then you click over save. Then we have also courses here. For example, courses, or also you can use coupons or orders. You can just click for add a new course, you write your name, your domain, and your paid here, and you click for the one you want, then you click over save. Then we have the last one, which is communities. About this one, you can just click over create, and you write your name, then you write your domain name, then your paid, and we have your automatic post approval. You choose between disabled and enabled, then you click over save. Then we have here sales funnels. About this one, you have also to create sales funnels. So you have to click over create, you write your name, your funnel lumen, then you choose your funnel goal, build an audience, for example, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar, and also here currency RO, and then you click over save. Then we have here in upgrade. About my plan, we have here 4 packages. We have here this one, it's for free. About startup, you have to pay $27 per month with this characteristics. Then we have webinar, you have to pay $47 per month with these characteristics. And the last one, we have this package, which is unlimited. You have to pay $97 per month, and we have a limited of all these characteristics. Then we have here payment gateways. About this one, we have the options that you can get paid. For example, cash on delivery, secure and pay, PayStack, Molly, Fetchwave, and PayPal, Stripe. You can choose the one you want. So earning money draw a system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strength and market demand. Whether you draw affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models, the possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that you not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.